In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use social media on HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your social media management and make the most of HubSpot's features, you're in the right place. Let's get started by diving into these straightforward steps that will help you connect and manage your social media accounts seamlessly through HubSpot. First things first, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, you'll want to sign up. HubSpot offers a range of tools, and having an account is your entry ticket to accessing powerful marketing features, including managing your social media presence. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll see various options under the main categories. Your destination is the Marketing section, which houses the Social tool. Click on that, and you'll be ushered into the central hub for all things social media within HubSpot. Now that you're in the social media section, your next move is to connect your social media accounts to HubSpot. You'll want to click on Connect Account, and this is where the magic begins. HubSpot supports several platforms including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube, so pick the platform or platforms you want to manage. This is a critical step because connecting your accounts will allow you to publish and schedule posts directly from HubSpot, creating a more integrated and efficient workflow. After selecting your desired platform, you'll need to authorize HubSpot to access your social media account. This involves a few prompts, and don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. These authorizations are necessary for HubSpot to manage your accounts effectively, and they also ensure that the connections are secure. Follow the prompts, grant the necessary permissions, and you'll be set up in no time. With your accounts connected, it's time to create content. Navigate to the Social tool and click on Create Social Post. This feature is where you'll draft the content you wish to share. Whether it's an announcement, a link to your latest blog post, or an engaging question to your audience, this is your canvas. Make sure your post is compelling and suits all the networks you've chosen. HubSpot allows you to send the same post across multiple platforms, which is a huge time saver if you're looking to maintain a consistent message across channels. Once your post is ready, you'll need to decide when it should go live. At this point, you'll have the option to either schedule your post for a specific date and time or save it as a draft if you're not quite ready to hit the Go button. Scheduling your posts allows you to manage your social media presence effectively, even when you're not at your desk. Planning ahead can provide your audience with a steady stream of content, which in turn keeps them engaged. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering social media management within HubSpot. It's a great tool for ensuring your messages are consistent and timely across your chosen networks, making your marketing efforts more effective and streamlined. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your social media campaigns.